My name is Craig Unsworth. I'm Group Chief Product Officer at Helio Intelligence. We help clients make sure that they stay on top of all of their policy changes and political requirements for intelligence. That's an increasingly complex space. We looked at other sectors like fintech and biotech, where human intelligence and artificial intelligence have come together and thought there could be a learning there. So we approached Colibri and partnered with AWS. This project had to be about more than just speed. And what we were looking for here was a very clear balance between quality and quantity. And that's what we've got. We've now made efficiency gains where something that used to take one of our team members 10 hours can be done in 1 hour. We wanted efficiency, but we also wanted things to be better. So what we have now is everything being easier to use, more enjoyable to use, deeper, broader, and in context. We were really keen to find something that did not replace human judgment. People remain at the heart of our business. So what we wanted was something that combined machine intelligence and human workflow. And the result was an end-to-end agentic workflow, which has transformed our company. It now means that with the power of AWS and the partnership with Colibri, we can say we're the leading political intelligence business. For me, generative AI offers a real promise of a whole new world of being able to do much, much more with what we have.